Welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and you know what? A lot of people say, I don't like leftovers. I never eat leftovers, and I say I love leftovers, especially since I think everything tastes better in a tortilla. So what we're doing today, it's real quick, a little cook. I have some leftover pot roast, pellet grill pot roast that I made over at my Man Kitchen Recipes channel, and I turned it into a pot roast chimichanga. Look at that. Does that look good or what? Let me show you how I put this together real quick and cooked it up. We'll cut it open and do a taste test. All right, first thing we got to do with this pot roast chimichanga, got to soften up my Extra Grande tortilla. This is not the giant 14-inch one. These are the Extra Grande. We're going to just heat it up so it softens up and rolls up. All right, there's our tortilla, and I got my pot roast here. I got my chuck roast, some potatoes, some carrots, and this is how easy it's going to be. I'm actually going to put some Mexican-style blend shredded cheese down in this. Yeah, I know, it's a pot roast, but we're having cheese in this pot roast because it's a burrito as well. So I'm going to get my meat in there. Okay, pot roast. Potatoes, carrots. That's all I got in my pot roast, and the onion. That's in there with the meat. Okay, kind of bust them up a little bit. Now, this is leftovers from a pot roast I made. All right, how easy is that? Kind of move it to the middle. More cheese. All right, now we're going to do the chimichanga roll. Bring up the sides. Fold it over like this. Got to pull in the back side a little bit and roll it up. And that is our chimichanga style roll for our pot roast chimichanga. Next we got a deep fry. All right, so my oil, it's just about up to 350, right about there, close enough. So now we're going to take that pot roast burrito and turn it into a pot roast chimichanga. So I'm going to lower this down with my tongs slowly. So pot roast and potatoes, everything's cooked. So basically what we want to do is get this burrito chimichanga golden brown. All right, there we go. Pot roast chimichanga. We'll let this cool for a minute. We'll cut into it. We'll do a taste test. All right, there's my pot roast chimichanga. Let's just cut into that. Nice and crispy. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a handheld pot roast burrito right there, chimichanga. All right, let's get a bite of this. How easy was that? Pot roast chimichanga. Look at that. I can't wait to take a bite. Mmm. That was a big bite. Mmm. Like I said, anything in a tortilla tastes better. Leftover pot roast in a tortilla fried like a chimichanga, can't beat it. Give this a try. Got leftovers, wrap it up. Thanks for checking this out. Thanks for coming over to Tortilla Takeover. Hope you have a great day.